Welcome to the HAPLAST factory, where every block header plastic bag is produced through a precise and well-controlled manufacturing process. The journey begins with high-quality plastic resin, which is fed into modern film blowing machines. Under controlled temperature and pressure, the material is melted and formed into strong, uniform black plastic film. Next, the film rolls move to the cutting and sealing stage, where the bags are shaped and heat sealed to create durable and clean edges. The finished bags are then stacked into bundles according to standard quantities. A paper header card is inserted at the top of the stack to reinforce the structure and prepare the bags for retail display. After that, the header card and the stack of bags are securely stapled together to form the block header. The top section is then precisely punched to create the hanging hole, allowing the product to be easily displayed on store racks. Finally, each batch goes through a quality inspection before packing and shipment. At HAPLAST, we are committed to delivering reliable and professional packaging solutions for customers worldwide. HAPLAST, quality that builds trust.